Hey everyone, it's Aslan here, and in this video I will show you that I reached one of my second goal or third goal in the AdsTeam. There's my first goal I haven't reached yet, so I will share that with you guys as well. Let me just share how the things are going, because I'm doing the AdsTeam video after 3 days, I guess. Yeah, I am. Because I wanted to do yesterday, and yesterday I had 3 days balanced saved. It was over 1000 in 3 days. My earning in 3 days was over 1100 something. And then what I did yesterday, I purchased for $900 worth of Adpacks, and I withdrawn $250, and I already received my money, $250, and today we'll withdraw again some money. So basically, let's go and see how my account is, and we'll share some stuff with you guys as well. So we are day 166, as many of you do know that I started from day 1. Okay, I deposited in day 1. I started low. I should have started very big and make big in this, because it was very great project, and right now still very nice program. So we have 71,000 members there. We crossed 70,000, so the growth is amazing. Every day there's huge amount of members joining in, and it's just nice, very nice to see this. And they're having events soon, like couple of events. Guys, if you're not their Facebook group, the link is here, Facebook group link at the bottom, so make sure go check that. Okay, I don't want this video. Okay, let me just pause this video. Yeah, and right now these days on Facebook Bitcoin is going viral. If you're related to Bitcoin, if you use Bitcoin, you must know the price is fluctuating a lot, up and down, like a lot. Seriously, it's about $100 one day down and all that, but nothing to worry. Overall in the future is all uptrend, like overall. That's all I would say. Okay, my balance is $300. Okay, it's increasing a lot, and right now I have 240 Adpacks. Okay, if we do a calculation, let me use percentage calculator. Okay, let me just use 2% of $250 are 200. Okay, multiply 50. 12,000 worth of Adpack. I have 12,000 worth of Adpack. Okay, my earning is $240 roughly a day, and as I already had 37 something commission yesterday, so I came more. So overall per day I'm getting nearly 300. We'll buy Adpacks today as well, 4 of them. Hopefully we manage to get 4, and so it will grow more. And as I said before, you must have seen the title, I reached 20k earnings as well. That's very nice. My team is growing, and my 15 members of my team having at least one Adpack $50. If you are my team, in my team, haven't got that Adpack yet, make sure to get it, because the reason is I will get the gold. Okay, right now I'm on silver. I will be on gold when I get 20 of my referrals having at least one $50 active Adpack. Can help me to reach it. If not, let me know so we can do something. But anyways, it's all good so far. Let's just purchase. I have to transfer the balance. We do that as well. Okay, so today I will withdraw from Payza again. I withdrawn yesterday with Bitcoin. Right now I really need Bitcoin, because I invested all of my Bitcoins in crypto trading. I've started that as well on the one side. I'm investing in a good coins. Right now I will withdraw 100 more, but not sure from where. Okay, I did yesterday with $250 from coin payment, but I'll go with the Payza today. So what I'll do first, I will just request a withdraw first. Request a withdraw. Guys, you can do that as well. I started from day day 1, okay, and I was compounding for 4 or 5 months, depending on the situation, how the things are going, okay. It was keep growing, so there's no point to stop compounding, okay. I play very safe, and my team as well, okay. Right now it's doing very well. That's why I'm highly recommending you this. Otherwise, when I see a situation of a program is not great, I'm being honest here, I don't even share much stuff about that and don't promote heavily, because I want my old team members get their seat, be safe. I don't want anyone new to come and then compound, and the time they compound, nothing lasts forever. That's the thing you have to remember in your mind. Nothing lasts forever. Even myself, I don't know how long I'm gonna live. So, alright, so nothing lasts forever. Don't take it wrong that something is going, okay. I'm just saying, okay, that's the thing I don't share with anyone, but I'm sharing with you guys, if you're watching this, that whenever you join something with me, even make sure you do ask me, okay, if it's the right time to get in, because you have to compound a couple of months and then start taking some money. But right now the AdsTeam is rocking, okay. They are doing so many things. They're doing even webinars now in different languages, and doing so much for it and growing this. So right now I will do 100 with Payza. Okay, this is done. Okay, let me just show you. Yeah, I got paid here $250. You seen it there. Okay, okay, we are going to transfer some balance, and then we're going to buy Adpack, because I want to buy at least one Adpack on top there. So I have $9 there, 30, 44. I need to transfer about $9 more. Okay, $7. Okay, what I'll do is I'll choose pay here. I'll transfer this 7.8 there and see how it goes. I need 41 there. Okay, yeah, I still can buy one Adpack on top there. So what I'll do, I will transfer all the other balance to coin payment. These all 10 will go down there. Okay, I'm doing something wrong here. No, I'm not, but I did something. Perfect money 15 there. I should have purchased 2 from commission on Payza, but I will do tomorrow. That's not a big deal. Okay, right now, yes, I do have enough balance to buy Adpacks. 3 down and 1 on top. I do these videos because I want everyone to know, understand well, okay, what I'm doing, and I'm sharing each and everything. I could just transfer and do it and then make a video later on, but I want to show why I'm doing it, and because I want to balance both things, and I see the balance where I have more, I withdraw from there. I want to make this equal and grow equally, and yeah, that's it. Okay, I can buy 3 with coin payments. I wish I had all balance in one. I was from start I was making a mistake. I was getting a lot of commission on coin payment, and I was transferring on top, and I was paying 5% fees to transfer it, and I said no, I can't do this. Every 5% that I'm paying, I can just add more funds in coin payment section and do that way. So that's what I did. Anyways, that's it for now. And yes, okay, that's my account, 20k. Very happy with it, and I want to reach goal. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you need any help, my links are gonna be in this video: Facebook, Skype ID, my WhatsApp number on screen, and anything you want. Okay, just leave a message. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Sometimes my schedule is busy. I mean, I'm busy with many things already. On my Facebook, if you see, I have nearly 5,000 friends. I have to delete every day someone to add more, and I have 5,000 followers as well. I mean, yeah, 5,000 followers. I'm always active on Facebook. Most of the time, more than my WhatsApp, I'm active on my Facebook. So you can find me, the best way is on Facebook or Skype, because I'm in front of my PC most of the time. I stay at home. I don't do full-time job anymore. Hope I will never have to do again, because I want to be my own boss and have a good life. Okay, whatever I want to do. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.